Hello everyone, my name is Navya and welcome back to my channel. So today weather is sunny and bright and today I'm going to show you my garden and there are so many flowers today that I didn't even know one day ago that flowers like this and any flower will blow in it. These will blow. But now after seeing it, I'm impressed a lot. And you can see how many these African daisy, or didn't even know it had a name so long, that why I call it African daisy. This African daisy is looking so beautiful. So I'm gonna show you my garden today. So let's start our video by not wasting our time. So let's get into it. We will start from the entrance. This is from here. You can see today many chrysanthemum are blown here. I earlier I thought that it is marigold, but my mother told me that it is marigold chrysanthemum. But today many chrysanthemum are blown in our garden, like here, and there is one too, one here, and you can see there are many flower in our garden today. See, there's a group of chrysanthemum today. There too, and our garden is full of chrysanthemum today. That is looking very good. The bees would have a what you can say, a party of their food like nectar, because there are so many flowers today, so they can eat, drink their nectar so much. This is, I think, pansy. It is pansy. It looks so good. I didn't even know that it is in our garden. I think it's a new plant in our garden today, but it looks so good. It has blown four in the first of it I seen. There are many African daisy today. How many are there? There are totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 African daisy. It's looking so good. There's one too, and this Gazania is looking good too today. And the weather is looking so good. The weather is also enhancing the look of these flowers. There's Tantas. It is looking cute too. There's one flower too. This is also white chrysanthemum. It is not blown today. And wow, one bud is here too. I didn't know which flower is this, but I hope that it would be a beautiful flower. There's one flower too that I didn't know. It will look cute too. And there are many chrysanthemum on our garden today at this side. And our spinach is growing good too, nicely. So I have shown you my garden today, and comment below that if you like this type of setup. Flowers, in my opinion, it's looking so good. Comment your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe, and I will meet you in my next video. So bye bye.